Hey everyone, 12 News meteorologist Stephen Matrograno here with a Weather Now update for you on this Saturday morning. We're looking at some wet weather 2 hours south across the southern states here and up towards the mid-Atlantic region. That rain is going to be tracking into our area as we go into later on this evening and tonight. So again, we're dry for now, and that'll be the case for a decent chunk of the day. Clouds will continue to build on in, so if we see any sunshine during the morning hours, it will be short-lived as those clouds really take over during the bulk of the day. Temperatures in the 40s were well above freezing, not dealing with any kind of icing issues out there this morning. Looking okay. Providence to Newport 44, similar story out in New Bedford as well. Narragansett, pretty good visibility out here, and things are dry as well, like I mentioned, so not seeing any kind of wet weather out there. Similar story here in Newport. Things are okay for now. We did have some rain last night that has, of course, moved away. Three key things: dry start for today, rain likely this evening. Some of that rain could be heavy at times into tonight. We do have the rain showers lingering into early Sunday, but I do think that most of Sunday is dry and then turning colder and gusty later in the day, and especially at night as well, with some stronger wind gusts possible into Monday morning. Let's time things out. We'll go forward here. Again, we're looking at this, wet weather approaching the area throughout the day. So here's a snapshot about noontime or so. We're seeing that rain 2 hours south. And then as we go into the afternoon, that rain does arrive, becomes steadier and a bit heavier during the evening hours into tonight. Those yellows and oranges indicating some of the heavier rainfall that tracks on in. Notice how most of it does remain offshore, but certainly we could be seeing some of that heavier rain track through our area at times at night. By midnight, most of that is to the east. And then we're just left with some leftover showers lingering into early Sunday morning. But by then, the heaviest rain will have moved on through. Most of Sunday ends up drying things out. You can see we get some sunshine in here for the afternoon hours. But then as we go towards the evening, could see a snow squall push on through during the latter part of the day as some colder air rushes in. So, don't be surprised to see some flakes flying later Sunday as that colder air takes over, turning gusty and cold behind that. And then that continues the theme right into Sunday night and into early Monday morning, right through Monday as well. Looks pretty cold and gusty on Monday as well. So how much rain are we talking about from the system? Most areas pick up less than an inch from it, but, wouldn't be surprised if some locally higher amounts are seen where some locations could get up to an inch or more. But for the most part, I think many areas are between the half an inch and inch of rain range from the system. So for this morning, again, bit of sun early on, clouds thicken up, mainly dry through midday. Showers arrive for the afternoon, becoming a steadier, heavier rainfall during the evening and tonight. Looking ahead, if you're going to the Patriots game Sunday night, looking at, cold, gusty conditions, but by then the rain will have left us, and we'll be looking at falling temperatures throughout the game, both pregame and postgame as well, with some very gusty conditions expected and some cold feels-like temperatures. It'll probably feel like the 20s when you're at the game. And your 3-day forecast here just kind of shows you a little bit into next week. Cold and gusty conditions continue right into Monday with temperatures in the 30s. But that's a check of your forecast. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.